Hi everyone, my name is Bismark Adomako and welcome to my course, Create and Monitor Data Pipelines for a Batch Processing Solution. I'm a Cloud Solutions Architect Data and AI at Bismark Incorporated, where I help architect and implement complex data systems. Flexible data analytics at the 7-layer comes easy with well-designed and implemented data processing architecture. As a data specialist, you may be required to design and implement an end-to-end data pipeline for a batch processing solution. In this course, you will learn to design and implement your own data pipelines for a batch processing solution on Microsoft Azure. Some of the major topics that we will cover include working with data storage, where we consider the right storage types on Azure to use for your architecture. Creating and orchestrating data movement, where we design and implement pipelines using Azure Synapse Analytics. Design and implement the 7-layer, where we prepare our dimensions and fact objects and connect with Power BI. By the end of this course, you have all the skills and knowledge of a data professional needed to build and monitor end-to-end data pipelines on Microsoft Azure. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with using the Azure portal to create and manage resources. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into advanced data engineering with courses on Microsoft Certified Azure Data Engineer. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn how to design and implement data pipelines on Microsoft Azure with the Create and Monitor Data Pipelines for a Batch Processing Solution course at Pluralsight.